Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Sara and I make cleaning videos on my channel, so if you are into cleaning motivation, organization, decluttering and decorating, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here. Today's video is a speed clean with me. I will quickly go around the house and do what really needs to be done. I started in the living room and I will tidy up, wipe down the coffee table with these multi-surface wipes and fix the couch. Now I'm moving into the kitchen and I will start with the dining table. I'm picking up all the things that don't belong on there and putting them on their place, and then I'm going to wipe down the table with my splendid kitchen cleaner and wet cleaning cloth.
To cover up what I don't want to show, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher. Higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher. Higher. Oh, you take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher.
Now I'm moving to the actual kitchen and I'm putting away the clean dishes to make space for all the dirty ones, which I have quite a lot today. I don't have a dishwasher, so I have to hand wash everything, and if I don't wash any dishes from morning to evening, I'm stuck with this big pile of dirty dishes by the end of the day. We also mostly cook at home. I would say that 9 out of 10 times we cook at home, so there are always some dishes that need to be washed. You probably noticed that I haven't uploaded any videos in a while, and I just quickly wanted to tell you why is that, because I feel like it's fair to tell you what's going on. First, I just needed a quick break from social media. I wanted to take a week or two to kind of think about the content I want to make in the future, because I was not happy with videos I was putting out. I also always wanted to be on some kind of schedule with my uploads, and that never worked for me in the long run. I would stick to it for a couple of weeks and then I would fall behind, and because of that I rushed with videos and they weren't the quality I wanted them to be. So eventually I would just stop and not upload for a week or two. So I decided that I won't have a schedule from now on, and I hope that this will also help with my creativity, because some of the videos require a lot more hours than the others. I also struggled a lot with productivity and finding that motivation to film and edit. And the second thing was that coronavirus started spreading fast again in my country, so we knew that we are going to be in a lockdown again soon, even though we were in a lockdown from October and it just got better in the end of February. But now everything is looking really bad again and we are going in a lockdown again on April 1st. And I almost got a job finally in my field, and I have a cosmetology degree if you don't know, and because of coronavirus this won't be happening anytime soon. So I was again without any motivation and just in a bad mood. But now I'm ready to slowly get back to it, and I also want to post more on my Instagram, and I will also try to post more personal things over there from now on, so you can also get to know me better as a person. And now that my little rant is over and I'm finally done with the dishes, I can move to the stove top, and I'm still using my Dr. Bachmann glass stove top cleaner. I'm also going over with my all-purpose cleaner, and I will also wipe down the backsplash and the countertops with this cleaner. Now I'm just going to wash this pan that I left soaking, and then I'm going to scrub the sink with my R Scrub Cream Cleaner. And now I'm going into the bedroom. I took down and washed the sheets in the morning, and I was waiting for them because they were drying outside. So while I'm waiting, I'm going to fold this big mountain of laundry that I have been piling up for a week probably.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. I wanna run away with you. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
And now the last thing I'm going to do is put the sheet and bedding back on and make the bed. I really love laying down in the evening into freshly washed sheets. Thank you all for joining me today for my speed cleaning session. I really appreciate all of you. If you aren't subscribed to my channel and you like the video, please do. And I also wanted to ask you all if you prefer long or short videos, and if you like really fast time lapses so you get more motivation in less time, or you like more slow speed videos with more editing and angle changes. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!